Hey guys, it's back to school, and one thing's for sure and two things for certain. We got to get all these things organized in time because the girls will be starting school in a few days. As you guys know, the exciting news, the girls were actually being homeschooled this year, and we're super excited. This will be our first year doing this, and I cannot wait to see how this year goes. But in the meantime, we're getting everything organized. They actually have school orientation right now, so we are opening up all of the girls' computers to get everything set up. I'm about to go ahead and input all the things that we need, show them how to work their computers. I'm super excited. I know this is going to be really user friendly, and then get them set up. And I'm especially happy because I'm surprising them with their new headphones for the school year, which is from iClever. And this is one of the only school materials that they're going to need that was similar to when they were actually in school. So last school season, we actually had to pack all the girls with headphones for the school year because they did do a lot of computer work and stuff like that. And I'm super excited because their headphones lasted the entire school year. But I wanted to go ahead and gift them with some new headphones since they're getting brand new computers. Each girl is going to have their own computer and their own headphones so that they'll be able to talk to their teachers and just have a personalized experience while they're doing their schoolwork throughout the day. Some of the things we're going to do on speaker, of course, because we're going to oversee their learning journey and their experience. But there's a lot of things that are going to be catered and personalized just for them and their education. A lot of schools, regardless if you're doing homeschool, regular school, or this could just be something for around the house where your kids are doing their schoolwork or whatever, because a lot of schools have introduced computers and laptops into the educational system. And one thing I noticed before we actually used the iClever headphones, we were going through a lot of the headphones, like the quality, the durability, how long lasted they were, and overall, like, the safetiness of the volume. I don't know how to explain it, but if you're a parent, you know exactly what I'm talking about. All those things were like really big problems with other brands that we had used prior to finding out about iClever. But I really like this, and of course this is really cute. So I'm gonna show you what the girls' headphones are gonna look like now, and they love them. Super cute. They have different lighting modes, so it's really fun. And as you guys can see, they have the safety cushion for your child's ears. And when you put these on, it kind of blocks out, because of the quality of these headphones, it blocks out like the excess noise from that's going on around you. Like, even without me pressing play to hear anything, like, this does a really good job. Like, I can't even really hear anything that the girls are doing with these headphones on. So I really like this, so they can really focus on everything that's going on. So I'm actually about to go ahead and set up their computers, log into their accounts. We have already signed up for the homeschool program, and everything is good to go. Their first day of school is literally in a few days, so I'm super excited. So I'm about to go ahead and set all the computers up and then bring them down here because they all have their orientation, and I'm gonna let them do their orientation with their new iClever. Hey guys, so we are logging in, getting the girls set up. They're about to do their actual orientation, and y'all, we have until next week to get some practicing on what each button means. Getting everything logged in, they're super excited. They were trying to see if they had the same teachers, and they do not. They all have their own teachers, so that's great. And Journey just found out her teacher is Miss Michelle. Because they were trying, because before under the teacher it didn't say if it was a Mr. or Mr., but now that we're actually in the contract, we can see that it's a Michelle. So your teacher is a Miss too. Her name is Melody. So your teacher is Megan. So it's Miss, yes, a girl. Megan is a girl name. Okay, so Jori has her purple iClever, so I'm gonna, since she's kindergarten, she didn't have to do any computer or anything. You already know her last name, but she didn't have to do any computer stuff last year. So the only time she used her iClever headphones, is when they came home and then they did the work that I actually instructed, but she didn't have to bring it to the school building. However, we did pack it just in case they needed something, but she was in preschool. So now she's in kindergarten. And of course, like I said, now that she's homeschooled, so what we're going to do is we're going to do your signature, and although she's younger, we don't baby any of the kids, so she still has the same expectations. Let me tell you the rules. When you're making an uppercase letter, this is the arrow going up. You're going to press this, hold it down, and then press the letter you want to type. That's a J. If you just want it to be lowercase, you would just press the J. Now it's lowercase. If you want it to be uppercase, and that's with any letter, you want an uppercase S, uppercase C, uppercase G. If you want a lowercase S, lowercase C, lowercase G, you're gonna do the arrow. So now we're gonna type out your signature. Jori Denver, go ahead.
I don't want to wait.
Oh, cool. You like it?
This look. Don't hear it.
Can you hear?
That's cool.
Oh, the video ended.
Mommy, look. It could do it. It could do it in modes.
Huh?
It could do it in different modes.
Okay, show me.
Like so. It goes like that.
No, they're doing an orientation for the school. Have fun.
Mommy, I picked the beautiful. I'm clever.
What do you love about them? You like the stickers?
Yeah.
You like the comfort?
Yeah.
It's stylish. So cute.
Birthday sticker.
So we just finished with orientation.
I finished with my orientation.
Okay guys, so it's safe to say that these iClever headphones are definitely a hit in our household. I hope you guys check them out for your household. They have so many different color options available for your children's purposes, and I just cannot wait until you guys check them out yourself.